are live. Coming to you, leaving my favorite, or one of my favorite, convenience stores. It's Friday! Yeehaw! Trust me, I need the energy right now. It's like 5:55. I gotta be cool, chill out. No, that's not. Okay, that's a cop car, but it wasn't a local one. Anyway, hey, how you doing, everybody? Another morning car vlog coming to you live from Pitman, New Jersey, soon to be in Harrison Township. How y'all doing? How's your week? Did you get through this week? I know I have, and still one more to go. As a little refresher, we are 2 men down at work. Two men down, and we had. So I've been taking care of one of those guys' workload. So among my workload, I'm taking care of his stuff. So it's been quite interesting going on at work. How are you all doing? How is things? How's your Pixel 6a? I just went through my feed, my YouTube feed, and every video outside music was Pixel 6a. Today's video, I'm going to focus on something, and I hope this doesn't embarrass my son. But Mike, I'm sorry. You just gave me content, and I like when some people give me content. So, I'm going to ask you all, if you're, of course, comments left down below, but follow me on Twitter, follow my son on Twitter. I will make sure I'll grab his link. He's a good guy. You like music? He's the guy to talk to. You like beer? He's another guy to talk to. So, what I'm getting at with my son is, it's time. It's time to get him a phone, because in a text message just yesterday, he wanted to know what's a good wireless charging, like, pad, or, put his phone on his charger, and he proceeds to write and tell me that, his battery's kind of dying quickly, and he wants a charger, because now he can't charge properly through a cord. He has to use wireless charging. He has an LG G7, a T-Mobile variant. I picked up probably, I will say 2019, as a used unit. Get out of this traffic. Okay, let's go. Go. Here we go. So it's time. I'm going to grab a video that I did with him, and I would love to do another one with you, son, if we could. But he had a very unique perspective on some things that this video did some time ago, quite some time ago. This is when the era of removing headphone jacks out of Android devices happened, because Apple did it. And he seemed to have at the time for a set list of what he wants, in a phone. And that's where this question is. Mike, and people, what is like your top 3 things that you look for in a phone? What is it now here, 2022? Mike, you're going to go get it. You're going to get a phone. And I want to know, I just don't want to pick any random phone. I don't want to, I'm not going to get a 6A for you if it doesn't fit the niche. Now, in past conversations, he mentioned, of course, his phone's 64 gigs of storage. He is in the middle of deleting stuff a lot because he likes to play video games. I think he mentioned, I forget, some of the Call of Duty, maybe some of those games that apparently take up a lot of space. And he has a lot of stuff on his phone. He downloads a lot and keeps it saved locally, it seems like. So that's the question. That's the question for the weekend. And I'm going to come back to this on Monday. What's the top three things you think you, Mike, and you people out there, what would be your top 3 things? Take away that you're a phone snob and you are watching me here on YouTube because you like phone technology. And if you happen to be here and you're new to the channel, you like that segue, why don't you consider subscribing? And returning members, thank you as always. And consider hitting that notification bell, because I think you're really going to need to, because I just ran across something today. There is a Team 100, shout out to Team 100, and the Tech Gentleman. I have him as subscribed, but damn if I knew that there was videos he made. So I hit the bell, so when the Tech Gentleman drops a video, yeah, I'm going to know, but I'm going to hit, you know what, I'm going to go back and find all Team 100, and I'm going to hit on all the bells. That's what I'm going to do, because that's just crazy. Wow, went all over the road just there. But back to my son. And his thing. So what is the top 3 things? Not just you, Michael, but you people out there. Leave comments down below. But please, I want to start this really would like to carry this conversation over on Twitter, and see what you all say. I'm gonna get the link to this video and send it to Mike Jr. and so he's involved. So yeah. What else is there? That's about it. It's been a very busy week, so I really haven't had time to think anything about tech. I just constantly see, it's almost wearing me out. Pixel 6a, then 60 hertz. I mean, I don't know, people. Then I was talking to my friend Will, talking about, is it true? Is the A-line slow down after time? I've never seen that and never experienced that. 2 people come to mind, come to think of it, that have a Pixel 3a. One of them is my niece, and she has yet to come to me and go, Uncle Mike, my phone seems to be slow. And she's a pretty sharp kid, okay? My mom has a Pixel 3a, and as long as it takes pictures and she can get to Facebook on it, she's happy. So what's that malarkey about? I don't know. I've never experienced a line phone to be slowed down. Now there was a time. I think I had the 2XL, and all because MKBHD put this in my head. I kind of go, OnePlus phone at the time was my OnePlus 6, was more fluid. But as a whole, maybe was influenced. I don't know. I just feel, as always I say in my videos, which we're going to wrap up, I'll say it once and I'll say it again. Enjoy your tech. Just enjoy it. Okay? 60 hertz, I don't know. You try to get a phone to the masses. The software alone is worth knowing that you're going to get the latest and greatest software and software updates. Pixel drops, the call filtering when you get a phone call, you don't want to answer it. I forget what it's called right now. Right now I think the Pixel is probably the better buy, especially the 6a, for people who are like my son, for people like my friend Joe, who's eventually going to get off a 3G flip phone. I think that's the best buy for them. Get it in a good case for my son, and he'll be fine. I actually saw there was plastic on the back, and that made me go, okay, this might be the device for him. So, but that's just me. I'm Mike Dixon. This is my channel. As always, I'm asking again, down in the description, I'm going to leave links to Twitter, Snapchat. I have a link for Mint Mobile. As always, I'm not just blowing smoke up your butt when I say it's a great service. It is a great service for actually after taxes, about damn near $200 for a year of service. $200 for a year. Now you can buy it in a 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month. The 12-month is the better deal. Works out to be about like $16 a month for a phone service. 4 gigs of data. If you're light on the data, if you're on Wi-Fi like me, now they do offer higher data plans. You'll pay more, but I still say the better value, if you can train yourself to be on Wi-Fi, is the Mint Mobile plan for $200. Works out to be about $180 to $200. But anyway, I got a link down below. Helps out me, the channel, if you hit that, if you get some Mint Mobile going on. 11 minutes in, and I'm quickly approaching the New Jersey Turnpike. Have a good weekend. Tell me, in the comments what your tech plans are. What are your plans in general? And yeah, let's get this conversation started. Let's go figure out what my son is going to get. What would be the top 3 things that you look in a phone? I'm Mike Dixon. Enjoy your tech. I'm out. Click.